VeRO, words, and ASINs filters. This video will guide you through our VeRO and words filter protection, located in the advanced section of the settings menu. The tool includes several components designed to help safeguard your store from restricted brands, flagged keywords, or ASINs that may trigger eBay's VeRO program or other policy violations. The first setting is VeRO strictness, and it's the most important. Even if you skip other settings, don't skip this one. It protects your account using eBay's official VeRO list, scanned daily, plus automatic reports gathered from our users' eBay messages, building a database of tens of thousands of brands, updated constantly. We strongly recommend enabling both the brand and title filters, as shown here. The second setting lets you remove specific keywords from an item's title and description. Use this if you want more control over which words get filtered out. The next setting, when checked, automatically removes the Amazon brand name from your item's title and description. And this one, when checked, basically removes the source brand name from the item's specific brand on eBay, replacing it with does not apply. Next component is block by keyword. If you have your own list of keywords which you want to use to block items from being listed, you can add them here. We recommend selecting only brand and title for the best results. And finally, using the block by ASIN option, you can enter the ASINs you want to prevent from being listed. Products with these ASINs will be automatically blocked. In the end, remember to click Save at bottom left. Feel free to contact our support for more details.